35 days young kittens paving their way unto the heart of the human dad. Huh? Hi. Hi. This is the orange white one. Huh? And the smallest one is already sleeping here on the arm of the human dad. The semi-gray tabby. The semi-calico is over here. Hi, on the neck. And the other one is now on the lap. They are supposed to be there. And when the human dad sits over here, they came unto him. Hi, hi, who's that? Paparian? Hi, hi. Asa ito eh? Asa ito? Tulong ba yung ginang gamay dong? Matagak na naroon. Bitay. Naog na. This is the chubbier one. Hi! Hi! Where are you doing? Where are you going? Where are you going? The other one went to the mama and suck milk. Mama Dende. What happened to that one, Mama Dende? Already sucking milk, Mama Dende? Where is it? Nanok yun din gamay. Luoy. Nagpugurin yun na sa semo t-shirt. Hi. Hi. Ibalik-balik. Talinis sa bahay na po po.
Talinis kayo.
Hi. 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 What's that?
Guy.
They've been asking for their mixture on their substitute milk. This is their mixture. The boiled extract of the malunggay leaves and egg yolk of the hard-boiled egg yolk and vitamins. You put it on the ref so that every time they ask, you just put it